Phillies fans, welcome to Phillies in 50, where we break down the week in Phillies baseball in 50 seconds or less. Time starts now. Phillies finished off the 7-game week going 4-3 after taking 2 in St. Louis, come home to split with the Pirates. And I think if you've gotten to watch or follow along through these first 16 games of the season, I think we would say it's not the greatest start that we would have wanted, and especially the case for the offense. Currently as a team hitting .234, which is 21st in the league. They're 24th in the league in runs, averaging under 4 runs a game. And for a team the past few years who's been known to outslug anybody, they're 24th in the league in OPS. They're 14th in the league in home runs. And I think the most shocking one is they're dead last in the league in doubles. Now, am I a little worried? Not quite yet. It's still only mid-April, and the Rockies and the White Sox are coming to town. Now, you can look through their pitching stats, but I think the Rockies being dead last in ERA and the White Sox being 25th in the league in ERA tells the whole story that you need to know. But that's your Phillies in 50. Here's to hopefully a better offensive week, and share your pictures at the yard. Should be a last fun homestand of April.